The contract requires vendors to comply with safety provisions at their own expense. Although we did see many crews following safe work practices, anytime we see a potentially unsafe work practice, it raises our concern for the workers. We saw several workers operating without proper hard hats or without protective eyewear, gloves, and ear protection. We also saw workers leaning into the chipper and wearing gloves with cuffs that can catch on its moving parts. We saw workers navigating the bucket, sometimes near wires, while also doing other things like smoking or talking on the phone, which could be dangerous if they become distracted. We saw other unsafe practices like drivers running red lights, driving the wrong way down one-way streets, and driving too fast. Urban forestry policies require them to check whether crews are working safely and whether they are wearing all the appropriate protective equipment, but their inspections do not note the same level of deficiencies that we saw. This raises questions about whether city inspections are sufficient to monitor compliance with the contract's safety requirements.